When will you start putting yourself first? When will you start making you a priority? You're frustrated because no one takes care of anything that you can do. No one does it better than you. And also, nothing has ever changed. You're constantly there for everyone else, but who's there for you? Now, you might have some girlfriends on the side and some family members and a really good relationship with your mom and all that good stuff. But do you really feel supported? Or do you feel stranded on an island on Groundhog Day that keeps occurring with the same thing over and over again, constantly pouring into other people? The problem is not them. There are givers and there are takers. And if you're a giver, you're going to attract takers. Instead of constantly being the giver, why not be the receiver? Receiving looks like when someone offers you a coffee, you say thank you. When someone gives you a compliment, you say, oh my gosh, I appreciate that. When someone wants to pay for dinner, you let them. I think the biggest mistake that women make is that we think we can do it all, and we're not designed to do it. So this is your sign, is that I get that you're frustrated. I get you feel like you can't depend on people. I get that you feel like you have to have control. It's all a lie. It's all to keep you stressed and safe, with a false sense of safety, actually, and nothing will ever be what you desire. You can be frustrated, and that's honest. You can say, like, I tried and it didn't work. But how long are you willing to be the person who finally gets supported, who finally is able to rest? Is it you? This is your reminder to do that. Because if you want to do ventures like start a YouTube channel, be a content creator, you're not going to go far. You're going to be burnt out. Because you're constantly pouring into other people. So there's just no way that you'll actually put in the effort to start your YouTube channel. However, if you want to change that, I have a free training on my page. I would love to teach you the ways that I learned, because I used to do that all the time, and now I don't. If you are interested in that free training, feel free to go check it on my page, because I'll teach you how to monetize your passion, and I'll also be able to help you inspire the world. Hope to see you there.